Assalamu alaikum Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh. Dear student, today I will teach you about the Holy Quran. If you want to read the Holy Quran, for learning the Holy Quran, first we have to learn pronounce of the letters. So from where we have to read all the letters like Alif to Ya. If you start any surah or any verses or any masnoon dua, for example, you want to say dua before eating. There is dua Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. In this dua, I can write there Bismillahi wa ala barakatillah. So you will see right now there is all the letters like in Nurani Qaida in first page. In first page there is ba, there is sin, and there is meme. Here is ba sin meme. It's bism like this. Look it, ba sin and then meme like this. So in this letter there is ba and there is sin too and there is meme. So all the letters are these letters. So that's why I said first if we know how to pronounce these letters, so then we can easily read the Holy Quran very beautiful and very correctly. In the Holy Quran there are many letters are similar. Like this there are some examples. Can you see here? Can you see what is this? Yeah, right. It's ta, right? Ta. But if you want to read ta and you are reading thick, not thin, so it will be automatically ta. So meaning will be changed. In the Holy Quran, there is one letter tha and another letter is sin. And I told you beginning of the class about Bismillah. Look it, in Bismillah there is after ba sin. You want to say Bismillah. Sin is whistling letter, but tha is without whistling. If you are not showing here whistling, so it will be automatically tha. So meaning will be changed because there is sin. So if you want to read sin, so you have to show there whistling like Bismillah. Whistling like this sound. It's called whistling sound. So there is other letters too. Look it one time. This is Sad and that is Sin and there is Tha. So mostly letters are same. And look, there is one another letters Qaf, another one is Kaf. If you are reading thin, it is Kaf, and if you will read thick, it will be automatically Qaf. So it is very necessary. It is very compulsory to learn pronounce. Look it. There is written the place of articulation of the Arabic letters. I am just giving some examples, actually not teaching a lesson. I think it will be more helpful for you, for all the students. Look it please. There are some letters. Look, can you see? All the letters and there is place from where you can read letters. For example, you want to say ta, ta, or dal, or ta. Look it, there is written. First look at that one. The dental letters means in Arabic hurufe nit'iyya. There is written originates. Can you read? Can you read this? Originates when the tip of the tongue touches the gums of the upper two front teeth. So now I am showing two front teeth. You can easily understand now. I think it is very nice example. Look it please. Can you imagine what is this? Please think. This is upper portion of the mouth. Upper portion of the mouth, and there are two front teeth. These two front teeth, tip of the tongue touches the upper two front teeth. Which part? Not edge, gums. This is edge part and this is gums. When you touch tip of the tongue here on the top two front teeth, it's called rabbit teeth too. Please Can you one time try? Just follow my instructions. Please tip of the tongue touch here and try to say ta ta, and now say dal dal, and now say again ta. Just round your lips and say to. Look it. Just to have this one, you have to do only rounding lips, same place, and say to to. I think this video will be more helpful for you. If you want to learn all the pronouns and like this in unique style, the Holy Quran, and there are many things. I am giving little touch. Please look it. There are some complete letters like alif, ta, za, waw, and hamza. These are 5 complete letters in the Holy Quran. Whenever you will see in the Holy Quran anywhere beginning of the letter or middle of the letter, they will show like this always complete letters. Look it, there are many examples. For example, look it, alif is complete, waw is complete, because look it, this is complete letter. Beginning of the waw is known, but then also waw is complete. There is nothing another shape, same shape, always only one shape. Look it, this is alif, and there is za, complete shape, not half shape. But if you will see like this, there is fa in half shape, lam is half shape, ta half shape, fa half shape, ain half shape, like this. So there are many things to teach to the students about this, like all letters, names, and many things. If you want to learn more, please join us. Here is our numbers, and this is online Quran Academy. Please contact us for learning more. If you have any question, please text us, or please text on WhatsApp. You can text on YouTube in comments too. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.